Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Yo, Die Mafia, what's good? How y'all doing today? Yo, man, I hope y'all been taking care of yourself, your friends, and your family. I hope y'all been drinking your water. I hope y'all been staying prayed up. Okay, with that being said, guys, y'all already see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, man, y'all see from the title what we're doing. But before we go into that, yo, if you're new to the channel, take this time to go ahead and sub up. Hit that like and subscribe button, you know, so you get the videos as soon as I upload it, man. Straight vibes over here, yo. You're on the latest channel, reaction channel on YouTube, man. So you don't want to miss none of the video, none of the vibes. But yeah, man, guys, you see what we're dealing with today, man. No one requested this one today, but you're still gonna see the comments, you know what I'm saying? But no one requested this one today, and I'm actually mad that it took me so long to get around to this song. I can't believe we haven't reacted to this song on the channel yet. But anyway, guys, you see what we're doing today. Today we deal with Byron Messia. You feel me? And this song called Moca. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Byron Messia been making a lot of noise lately, man. You know what I'm saying? On the dancehall and reggae scene. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's one of those Trinidad artists. Like, he's pretty. I think he's Prince Swanee artist or whatever. But yeah, man, he's making a lot of noise right now. People is liking him, and I guess this is one a lot of people want me to react to. So I'm gonna check it out. And I'm mad it actually took me this long. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't take me, what is it, 2 months now? 2 months now to get around this. And I haven't listened to this song, so it's crazy. So yeah, man, guys, today we're reacting to Byron Messia. This is Moca. Man, let's get it. Why this sound like the Valiant Cut All Losses beat? That's what it sounds like. Soul line. Valiant Cut All Losses.
Chop piece of food, buy me knees and shoes. Regular me buckets, color Madison Avenue. Daily me phone, I forget physical abuse. Yeah, man, I teach me how fish can't make it wrong move. In a see a Red Bull, be a girl in a dig room. No me.
Ooh, easy now, man. Easy now, man. Dog so smooth on the beat, man. Yo, Trinidad artists are crazy, but they're also smooth on the beat, bro. And he's talking about chopping. You know what I mean? Moca. You know what I mean? Moca is basically like task force that deal with like scamming. So they deal with the scammers, yeah, in Jamaica and in the islands. I'm guessing it's the Caribbean in general, since Trinidad people talking about it. But yeah, man. So yeah, you're talking about chopping.
Would I reach a long time, I should have left school. Been a rolling paper long before me use the restroom. I plan my next move.
Should have reached long time, I should have left school. You see me, I use paper long time. Out of the restroom. Alright, let's get it.
Me have a line, a million of them me have be fine. Moca, nobody waste your time. Me dash with the iPhone tonight.
Tell me a banging line, Moca. Nobody waste your time. Me dash with the iPhone tonight. Okay, alright, okay, I like it.
Me not feel up in the aisle. Naturally a giant I go rise. Moca, I'm say Moca.
Y'all don't even know the importance of that line, man. I say, Nafi, rub up in the aisle. Naturally, a giant I go rise. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yo! Nafi, rub up in the aisle. Naturally, a giant I go rise. That means I don't need no hobby. I don't need no goals. I don't need none of that. Because naturally, you can't stop a giant. A giant gonna always be a giant. Easy.
We never stopping. Forever chopping. Money stack, figure remember the shopping. We wake up. Make a call a foreign. Same when I'm run off, you collect the package. I'm put the food and the rifle do damage. I saw it knocking. Me can't speak much about it, remember Moca watching.
Ramp the food and rifle do damage. Boop, 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 boop. That's how we do knocking. Easy now, man.
Top code, big niche, stock food, big lane. They go outside, I travel with the 16.
Damn, bro. I'm like all the girls that do their thing, bro. This is a vibe. I like this. Come on. Come on.
Me have a line, a million of them me have be fine. Moca, nobody waste your time. Me dash with the iPhone tonight. Me not feel rub up in the aisle. Naturally a giant I go rise. Moca,
Man, I like that line, yo. Now if you rub up in a aisle, naturally a giant a go rise. Moca. Man, come on, man. Come on, man. I love this song, bro. Hey, let's get it.
Chop piece of food, buy me knees and shoes. Regular me buckets
Pretty
full
too.
of medicine and
Pretty gal.
daily me phone and forget physical abuse. Yeah, man, I teach me how fish can't make it wrong move. Hennessy and Red Bull.
Man said daily, my phone I forget physical abuse. Yard man I teach me this time. Shh, no make no wrong move. Big up Trinidad. Big up Trinidad, cause they always show yard people them ratings and then rate yard people. Big up Trinidad. You from no drop the emoji, drop in the comments. Let me know where you're watching from, man. Come on, man. Yeah, man, this is a dope ass track. Byron Messia, big up yourself, my G. Yo.
Be a girl in the guest room. No, me woulda reach a long time. Me shoulda left school. Been a roll the paper long before me use the restroom. Apply my next move.
Been a roll the paper long before me use the restroom. Nah, I make the wrong move. Hey, yo, shoulda reached long time. Me shoulda left school. Hey.
Me a banging line, a million of them me a be fine. Moca. Nobody waste your time, me dash with the iPhone tonight. You dog, me not feel up in the aisle. Naturally a giant of a rise. Moca.
Feel me? I ain't gotta run up in an aisle for do this YouTube shit, man. Naturally a giant gonna rise. You feel me? I'm gonna put in this work, and naturally I'm gonna rise to the top, bro. I'm coming to take over, bro. I'm the Jamaican Kaisonat, the Jamaican Mr. Beast, the Jamaican Dude Dennis, the Jamaican Agent 00, bro. What's wrong with y'all, man? For YouTube, bro. I'm gonna come taking over all this, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna do for YouTube what Kaisonat did on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? 100 million subs, bro. Remember I said that. Hey. Moca. Tell me this song not dope, guys. This song dope as hell, man. How y'all feel about it? Drop your comments, man. Easy now, man. Byron Messia. Yeah, man, Byron Messiah. You did your thing, bro. No cap, bro. No cap. You did your thing on that song, bro. Your vocals smooth as hell. The beat, crazy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Valiant till to that video, apparently, but man, you did your thing, Byron Messia, bro. You got crazy talent, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got crazy vocals. I know your future is gonna be bright, bro. You know what I'm saying? I already see Prince only doing numbers and doing damage. I know you're gonna do damage at the end of the day, man. I just want to see you keep on doing things and rising to the top. You know what I'm saying? Let nothing stop you, bro. You're very talented. Keep your mind right. Keep your head right. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, man, guys. Real dope trap, man. I like the lyrics. You know what I'm saying? It's about the chop in the Moca. You know what I'm saying? Man, saying not run up in the aisle. Naturally, a giant I got rise. Come on, man. Long time me should have left school. Me should have been rich. Yo, me had been touch people for me use the style. Hey. Yeah, man. He's been doing it. Yo, Byron Messia, you do your thing, guys. Let me know. Let me know what y'all react to in the next, man. Send me some more videos. Send me some more Trinidad artists. Send me some more. And every artist that does dancehall and Caribbean music and reggae, send them to me so I can do a reaction. You're going to get your shout out. I'm going to post you up. And stay tuned for giveaways and surprises, man. You already know. The channel growing strong over here. We're lit over here, man. Trust me. You don't want to miss it. Trust me. You don't want to miss out. But anyway, guys, you don't know. So what Jambisco is here tonight. Hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.